Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the heart of the Shearline Master System. This is what we refer to as the original. Well, this design's been around for almost 8 years now, and it still turns out to be the best thing that we can have. I've tried designing all kinds of other larger machines with much bigger drums all stacked together in rows. In the end, after years of experimenting and running these with customers, we've just discovered that this will give you the highest quality trim with the least amount of damage to your trichomes and your buds. So because we spend so much time in the field with our customers, watching them run with our machines and trimming various types of product, we've discovered something. I've spent years designing larger machines, big 18, 20-inch drums, and I thought that was going to be the way we were going to go. But unlike a lot of other companies out there, we put ours in the field and we run it for 6 months to a year before we ever offer it to the public. What we discovered was, for the amount of money you're going to spend on the large machines, you're not going to get the quality of trim you'll get out of a smaller diameter drum. Now, this is the heart of the system, as I said, and what it is about an 8-year-old design. You'll notice that the drum on this is only 6.5 inches in diameter, and the suction going into it is fairly strong and covering a small amount of space at the bottom. What this makes happen is the buds have a tendency to stay down at the bottom of the drum and roll instead of fall. When you have a larger drum, the buds want to climb up the side and then they have to get knocked loose by this brush and they fall. 18 inches of fall over and over and over again as it goes through was having a tendency to knock some trichomes off the buds and also to even break some of the larger buds up. So we've gone back to this. It's better to use multiple systems of the master system, a lot less expensive, than it is to go with one of the big giant machines out there that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars and takes forever to keep clean.